Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me the homeopathic remedy acetic acid. This is part 2, mnemonic. And we are going to recall certain salient features of this remedy through mnemonic. The key word of the mnemonic here is acetic acid, where A stands for anxiousness or apprehensiveness, C stands for can't sleep on the back, E stands for emesis, T stands for TB pulmonary, I stands for intense thirst, and C stands for charcoal fumes, bad effects of. A stands for anasarca, C for croup, and I stands for inhalation, excites cough, and the last is the D, which stands for diarrhea. So through this we'll go for a recall pattern. So A stands for anxiousness, and it gives us the recall for that the acetic acid patient has horrible attacks of anxiety with difficult breathing. This anxiety attack is somewhat similar to panic attack. So let us recall the mental feature having acute panic attacks in acetic acid. C stands for can't sleep on the back. So you will find that acetic acid patient, if he sleeps on the back, means supine, he will have difficulty and suffocation, feeling of suffocation in breathing, but he can sleep better on abdomen. This is a peculiar feature. We have seen some of the cases, especially in COVID, they have this marked feature with them. E stands for emesis, and it reminds us the vomiting of pregnancy. There is a sour belching. Sour belching is GERD also. There is a hyperacidity and acid reflux takes place. There is a burning pain in the abdomen, especially upper abdomen, the stomach. And this usually in chronic cases can cause CA stomach. T stands here for tuberculosis, pulmonary tuberculosis. The symptomatology which we find in favor of this particular diagnosis is the hectic fever with drenching night sweats, which are very characteristics, and hemoptysis. Apart from that, you will find there is a profuse bronchorrhea, there is a lot of sputum discharge. Say for example, we see in cases of bronchiectasis. So there is an intense thirst. I stands for intense thirst, burning thirst. This patient who has got burning stomach has intense thirst, which patient wants constantly cold water, and at nights the things get worse. At nights he demands water. Very peculiar feature about the thirst is that this patient has got no thirst during fever. C stands here, charcoal fumes, bad effects of. So we have seen one important symptom, great prostration after anesthetics and charcoal gas exposure. A stands for anasarca. In case of anasarca, we have generalized edema, which we find in case of Kwashiorkor. We find in protein calorie malnutrition as what we see very advanced cases. Here the skin is pale, waxy, earth colored. The C stands for croup here, and the croup is having a very peculiar presentation, hoarse, hissing respiration, difficult respiration because there is a constriction in the trachea. I stands for inhalation, excites cough. So whenever we respire and when we inhale, then there is a hypersensitive area in the tracheal tree because of the swelling of mucosa that irritates the mucosa, and the patient goes into the spasm of cough, which is worse on inhalation. And the D is for diarrhea. Here we find chronic, copious, exhausting diarrhea is characteristic feature of acetic acid. Thank you very much for your patient listening.